Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. I have a really quick recipe idea for you today. I go to the grocery store. I see this package of gorgeous strawberries. Beautiful, bright red. They look luscious. And I do this all the time. I buy them. And then I get them home and I taste one. They're not sweet. They're not particularly juicy. It's terrible. Here's how I fix it. I take a third, this is 2 pounds of strawberries. I take a third of a cup of raw sugar. Sprinkle it over. This is after you wash the strawberries so they're a little damp. You sprinkle that all over. And then, here's the key ingredient, a teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle that over. Then you give it a gentle stir. And voila, delicious strawberries. The raw sugar works beautifully with them. The salt actually brings up the flavor of them more. And I would serve these to anyone, including you.